please. How did you ever become the captain of anything? Once more, and this time, add an inappropriate slur.
You saucy wench.
I'm gonna need more grog.
I am Tachyon, Crown Prince of the Craggy Might. Fear me and what not? For I will rule the universe.
Die, crash my feet!
Could you two be careful? Chrome's head is a microcubit away from popping off.
Do you think you were telling the truth, Clank? About my father? About my purpose?
I detected no lie in his voice, but I believe your purpose has already been fulfilled. You vanquished Tachyon, something even the Lombaxes could not do.
Thanks, Clank.
Don't look at me. You said it was broken.